Hey everybody, it's Mindy. Remember we unbagged 4 from GBFKE, and here's the other 4. So let's see what we have in this set of 4, okay? Let's get into these. Remember the first set? Yeah. If you didn't, I could say I could link it up in the eye. We'll see. I might put it in the cards. I don't know. Anyhow. Oh, I hope this one's awesome. I love the picture on this one. Come on. Let me in. I love this picture. You guys, this is so Mindy. You guys, you know. Mindy's got a style, right? And this one's my style. It's poured glue. Oh yeah, it has DMC codes. Here's our drills. I'm going to roll it back a little bit so it will lay flat. Okay, these are all going to be fairly small. I didn't get anything large from them. They do have large paintings, and they have, you know, keychains, and, you know, the whole gamut. Look at the colors. It's almost a rainbow, almost. But this, oh, I hope this is going to be perfect, because I like it. Oh, my goodness. Okay, what do you see? What do you see? Look at it. It is great. Look at it. What do we have over here? A pair of boots. Boots, like the rubber garden boots, filled with flowers. There's a little birdie right there too, right? Over here we have the watering can. And another bird. Butterfly. I think that's a butterfly. All the flowers. Isn't it pretty? See what I said? It's me, right? It's all me, okay? That's all Mindy. Give me my boots. There's another, oh, there's the bird. I already said the bird. Bird, flowers, bird. How pretty, right? So pretty. Yeah. As you hear my wind chimes, right? Here's the symbols. You see the DMC codes. I love this. This should turn out really good. There's a list over here as well. 40 by 30. We'll do it once. We know, by now, we know that when you get these smaller poured glue canvases like this, they are not going to be that 40 by 30. The whole canvas will be. So this one is 35. So my guess is this way is 25. Yep. Okay, so the whole entire canvas, like from this line to over here, is 30. So the whole canvas, if you look at that whole canvas, that's 30 by 40. But the image is about 5 centimeters short of that, okay? Each direction. And that's okay. I mean, I don't care. But there you go. It's gorgeous. I love it. Those boots, I love those boots. That's going to turn out. This one, I like a lot. So let's see what we have. DMC codes are on the canvas. They are not on the drill. This has got the diamond packaging. Okay, the cross on the back says diamond. And that's just fine. These always seem to be really good drills. Okay, here's number 25. That's 25 on the canvas. 24, 23, 22, and 21. Aren't they pretty? All right, what else do we have? Come on, flip over. Let's go this way. Some salmon colors. Rust, green. Another green. Still didn't flip over for me. Blue, red, blue, cream. That green is so bright. It looks like 3819. I could be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. It's not. It's not 3819. Here's the helicopter. I don't know what that's about. We never get helicopters around here. Gray and yellow. Yellow, gray, and yellow. And look at this pretty green right here. What is that bright green? Let's see. It is number 10. It's 704. Okay. But how pretty is that? I'm excited about that. That makes me want to just do that right now. It does. All right. What else? Wind's kicking up out there, guys. Wind's kicking up. This one didn't get quite sealed over here, so I can get into it. Like nothing was going to fall out, but it gave me a little corner. A little corner to get into. Okay, here we go. All right. Another full drill. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't even show you the drill field on that one. It was clear. You don't have to worry about it. Looks just like this one. There's the drill field. No DMCs over here. They could be on the drills, though. If you like that sort of thing, you know. Yeah, they're not, though. Okay, I hope this one's going to turn out. Let me see. I don't know. This one might be a little more detailed than... We'll see. Toolkit. Very pretty. Oh, look at very naturey, subdued colored drills. Peaches and light orange. And there's a bright yellow, but that's the only bright color. Okay. Let's see what it looks like in the camera. Let's see if you can tell in the camera. Oh, okay. All right. I think. What do you think? At first, no, it looks a little weird, doesn't it? I don't know. This right here. I mean, this is clearly a basket and a tag and some sunflowers and a basket. And what's in the basket? Let me step back. Okay, if I step back, I can see it. It looks like, at first I wasn't sure if it looked like an owl or what is that? No, it's a kitty. It's a kitty. Okay, this one definitely needs to be drilled to see if it turns out. Okay, let me see if I can show you the thumbnail. And I will try to put maybe a picture of these, because the thumbnail really doesn't. Okay, see there? It's a kitty. What makes it look, or hard to tell what it is the kitty has got those dark cheeks, and the dark cheeks are kind of making it, I don't know. This one definitely needs to have some drills put on it to see how it turns out. Okay, there's a drill stuck in there, a brown one. It's just the plastic is a little wrinkly. It makes it look like the glue's wrinkly, but it really isn't. It's just the plastic on this is quite wrinkly. Sometimes, you know, maybe the glue's not completely dry. They put that plastic on there and it gets a little wrinkle here or there, but this really looks to be just the plastic. Yeah, because when I take it off, the glue looks good. I mean, I don't think it would be a real issue anyhow. I don't know, the glue's a little wrinkly, but I don't think it's a huge issue. I just don't. It's just got some lines in it. Can you see the little lines in the glue? I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. Like I said, I think maybe sometimes the glue's not completely dry. They put the plastic on and it just kind of wrinkles like that a little bit. That one we definitely need to put drills on to see how it's going to turn out. Anybody want to volunteer? Let me know in the comments below. Let you be my tester. Some browns, a lot of yellows, because I mean the whole background is yellow. 2 bags of. Okay, we're just going to go through these quickly, okay? Cream, pink, another yellow, an orange, some creamy peaches, or peachy creams, peaches and cream. This is PJ Packaging, I noticed on the back. PJ Packaging does not have DMC codes, but PJ Packaging, we call it Plain Jane, because there's no DMCs. But Plain Jane or PG Packaging always have really nice drills. I can tell you that. So, because I don't know I'm going to get to that one anytime soon, but it would be interesting to know if it turns out. If you can see that kitty. All right. I think I was on a roll here with the same theme. These all go together, kind of. You'll see what I mean. You will see what I mean. Another toolkit, same type. These are much bolder colors. Brighter, bolder. Dark, dark, you know, bright yellow. Bolder colors, I'll call them. No DMCs codes here. Here's our drill field though, while we're here. I'm not showing you that on all of them, but that's okay. They're all pretty clear. I haven't really noticed anything. Now you notice this one's not like 1 through 8 and then letters. This one's all kind of mixed up. But that's okay, as long as you can see them. And look, if we look at the dark areas here, they're very easy to tell apart. No confusion. Okay, can you tell what that is? Just right there, can you tell what that is? Huh. Yeah, that's a heart. Sunflowers. Let's look at the dark. Let's look at the dark. I think they're hands. They're really supposed to be hands. You know how people can do, I can't do it. How you do it? I don't know. That thing, you know what I mean? That's what they're doing. That makes a heart, and then the sunflowers. How do the dark sections look? Oh, they're perfect. I don't see any problem telling those apart. None at all. How about up here? No. Nothing seems confusing. This seems very, very straightforward and easy to do. This would be one that you could just sit and just do and not have to worry about it, right? Yeah, that's what I say. I wouldn't save the drills because I don't have time to match them up. If you like doing that thing, you can match up drills, but I got too many other things to do. I only keep drills with DMC codes. That is bright yellow. Brown, gray. Hope them wind chimes aren't too loud. They're getting kind of loud. I always close the window. Greens. Bright orange. Dark chocolate. Peach. Boy, those look almost the same. No, that one's even darker. Dark and darker. Depends how much cocoa was in it. Pretty colors though. Very pretty. I mean, I think that one will turn out nicely. I really like the boots the best so far. What about you? Boots are my favorite so far. Okay. Come on. Here we go. Last one. Did I get one special drill? No. I thought this was going to be a special drill. It's not. No, it's still cute. It's still super, super cute. It's just not special drill. Okay. We're going to have to try again for this one because I know this comes in a special drill. I thought I got it in special, but no. There's our regular drills right there. Beautiful colors though. Look at the colors. I love this guy. Girl. Whatever it is. Look at how cute. This is going to go in my little 25 by 25 collection of things I've started that I want to scrapbook. I need to get a portfolio. But look at that. How cute, right? How cute. The canvas is really soft and flexible, so those creases are probably going to come out pretty quickly. But how cute. I think it's a boy. I don't know why. Got a big pink ribbon, but I don't know. It looks studious to me. Yeah, I thought it was special drills, but it's regular. Regular resin. That's okay. Let's see. Is this going to be like 25 by 25? Because that's what I'm hoping most of these are. If I can get a portfolio, because I want to scrapbook them. If you hadn't heard, I want to scrapbook them. 24. Okay, well, 24 works. So it's going to be 24 square. 24, 25, I don't know, maybe even some 30 by 40s could fit. Some smaller projects and then just, you know, make them all cutesy with a little scrapbook layout in a portfolio. That's my plan. Let me know if you find this one someplace in special drills. I'm going to look. Getting ready to place another order with, I don't know, somebody. I don't know. I'm going to see if I can find special drill. All right. Yellow, beacon nose, orange, peach. I don't know where those colors go. Rusty colors. Well, purple clearly is all over. Pinks, mauve, more pink. There we go. And magenta. Let's end with magenta. Super cute though. I mean, some of these might fit in a portfolio and I could scrapbook them. That's my next thing. That's what we're going to work on. Got to order the portfolio though. Anyhow, thank you, GBFKE. Once again, this is part 2 of my unboxing. And yeah, very cute stuff. Very, very cute fun projects. I don't know. If I order from them again, maybe next time I'll get something big from them. I haven't gotten anything large from them. Maybe we'll try a big painting. We'll see. Okay. Until next time, you guys, thank you. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Check out GBFKE for all of your snack size in-between projects. They have all kinds of stuff. You know, find notebooks, keychains, all the fun things. And they always come out with new stuff all the time. So, yeah, until next time, take care. You keep doing what you do. I'll do what I do. Have a great day. Bye-bye.